to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to download an emulator. So, emulator, or we can just go for Bluestacks, however you like. Right here. I'm going to type it sick, but just click download. Click F11. Click on this. Now click yes. Click install. I agree. You can do this if you want. I will not. This is a very nifty tool if you want to play like a bunch of these games, you know. You can play Android and iOS games on your computer with this. As soon as it's done downloading, I will show you how to sign in and get everything set up. There we go. So it'll take a minute. I will get back. Never mind. Alright, so yeah, you can get it for Mac. You can just get. You go to a store. There's discounts, cashback. This is a pretty good emulator, and it basically has a ton of games on it. So I like here has everything that you would want. Here are the top results. The rest are probably advertisements and other stuff. This will take like 2 minutes, I believe. I do not know. I got a fast computer, so yeah. Alright, here we go. This is just an advertise. It's gonna start Bluestacks. Every time you start Bluestacks, it will show you a ton of advertisements. Alright, here we go. So now I will just install like a random game. It's gonna ask you to sign in if you're not already signed in. So we'll get this. Install from Google Play. Sign in. Now it's going to ask you for everything. Or just put in a random email I don't use anymore. Now it's going to say try no way. I can use a passkey. I can use a pen. I will be back to you when I get everything set up. Alright, I am back. I've signed in. Now I can click install. I can go to the home page and it will show you when it's done installing. It has everything right here. And yeah, you can go here if you want to earn some money. I do not suggest doing this. It usually does not work, but you can cash out. You have to sign in. Rise of Kingdoms and everything if you want to play it on your computer. Wait. Come on. So yeah, I am gonna install Rise of Kingdoms. Rise of Kingdoms. So it's gonna do this again if you want to install Rise of Kingdoms. And yeah, continue. Install. And now it's gonna do a quick restart of Bluestacks. Even though it's open right here. And close this out. So yeah, this was a quick tutorial. Well, not quick. It's just a tutorial to just, you know, get you started off and show you. Link to the website will be in the description below. Click install. It takes a while, you know. Close, back, go back, and home. God. Why not? In mobile season 2. Alright, right here. It's a big game, so it won't automatically be done, but yeah. It's very cool if you want to play some of your favorite mobile games on your computer. So yeah, goodbye and have a great day.